Are you struggling with acid reflux, heartburn, or other symptoms of gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD? Prilosec and Zantac are two popular over-the-counter medications that promise relief. But which one is the ultimate acid suppression champion? In this video, we will compare Prilosec and Zantac, looking at their ingredients, effectiveness, and potential side effects to help you make an informed decision. Understanding acid suppression medications. Acid suppression medications are commonly used to treat conditions such as acid reflux and GERD. These conditions occur when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, causing uncomfortable symptoms like heartburn, chest pain, and regurgitation. The primary goal of acid suppression medications is to reduce the production of stomach acid, providing relief from these symptoms. There are two main types of acid suppression medications: proton pump inhibitors, PPIs, and histamine 2 blockers, H2 blockers. Prilosec and Zantac belong to these two categories, respectively. PPIs work by blocking the enzyme responsible for acid production, while H2 blockers reduce acid production by blocking histamine receptors in the stomach. Prilosec. Prilosec, also known by its generic name omeprazole, is a widely used PPI that offers long-lasting relief from acid-related symptoms. It works by inhibiting the proton pump responsible for acid production in the stomach. Prilosec is available over the counter in lower doses or by prescription in higher strengths. One of the advantages of Prilosec is its effectiveness in reducing stomach acid production. It can provide relief from symptoms such as heartburn, acid reflux, and indigestion for up to 24 hours after a single dose. Prilosec is often recommended for individuals with frequent or severe acid reflux symptoms. However, it's essential to note that Prilosec may take a few days to reach its full effect. It is not intended for immediate relief of symptoms but rather for long-term management of acid-related conditions. Additionally, Prilosec should be taken as directed and not used for longer than the recommended duration without consulting a healthcare professional. Zantac. Zantac, also known as ranitidine, is an H2 blocker that provides relief from acid-related symptoms by reducing stomach acid production. It is available over the counter in lower doses or by prescription in higher strengths. Zantac is often recommended for individuals with milder or less frequent acid reflux symptoms. One of the advantages of Zantac is its quick onset of action. It can provide relief from symptoms within 30 minutes of taking a dose, making it a suitable option for immediate relief. Zantac is also available in different forms, including tablets and liquids, making it convenient for individuals who have difficulty swallowing pills. However, it's important to consider that the duration of relief provided by Zantac may be shorter compared to Prilosec. While Zantac can provide relief for up to 12 hours, some individuals may experience a rebound effect, where symptoms worsen once the medication wears off. It's crucial to follow the recommended dosing schedule and not exceed the recommended duration of use. How do Prilosec and Zantac work? Prilosec and Zantac work in different ways to achieve acid suppression. Prilosec, as a PPI, blocks the proton pump responsible for acid production in the stomach. By inhibiting this enzyme, Prilosec effectively reduces the amount of acid produced, providing relief from acid-related symptoms. On the other hand, Zantac, as an H2 blocker, works by blocking histamine receptors in the stomach. Histamine is a chemical that signals the stomach to produce acid. By blocking these receptors, Zantac reduces the release of acid, thereby alleviating symptoms associated with excess stomach acid. Both Prilosec and Zantac aim to reduce stomach acid production, but their mechanisms of action differ. PPIs like Prilosec are generally considered more potent in suppressing acid production, while H2 blockers like Zantac are often preferred for milder symptoms or short-term relief. Efficacy of Prilosec versus Zantac. When comparing the efficacy of Prilosec and Zantac, it's essential to consider factors such as symptom relief, duration of action, and overall effectiveness. Prilosec, being a PPI, is generally more effective in reducing acid production and providing long-lasting relief from symptoms. Studies have shown that Prilosec can significantly improve symptoms of acid reflux and GERD. It has been found to provide relief from heartburn and regurgitation in a majority of patients, with a significant reduction in the frequency and severity of symptoms. Prilosec's long-lasting effect makes it a popular choice for individuals who experience frequent or severe symptoms. Zantac, on the other hand, is also effective in reducing acid-related symptoms, but it may be more suitable for individuals with milder or less frequent symptoms. While Zantac can provide quick relief, its duration of action may be shorter compared to Prilosec. Some individuals may require multiple doses throughout the day to maintain symptom relief. It's important to note that the efficacy of Prilosec and Zantac may vary from person to person. Factors such as the severity of symptoms, individual response to medication, and underlying health conditions can influence their effectiveness. Consulting with a healthcare professional can help determine the most suitable option for your specific needs. Side effects and safety considerations. Like any medication, both Prilosec and Zantac come with potential side effects and safety considerations. It's important to be aware of these risks before starting any acid suppression medication. Common side effects of Prilosec may include headache, nausea, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. In rare cases, it may also cause more serious side effects such as vitamin B12 deficiency, magnesium deficiency, and an increased risk of certain infections. Long-term use of Prilosec has also been associated with an increased risk of bone fractures and kidney damage. Zantac, on the other hand, is generally well tolerated, with fewer side effects compared to Prilosec. Common side effects of Zantac may include headache, dizziness, and constipation. In rare cases, it may cause more serious side effects such as liver problems or allergic reactions. It's important to discontinue use and seek medical attention if you experience any severe or concerning side effects. It's crucial to follow the recommended dosage and duration of use for both Prilosec and Zantac. Long-term use of acid suppression medications should be done under the guidance of a healthcare professional to minimize the risk of side effects and ensure the most effective and safe treatment plan. Choosing between Prilosec and Zantac. Choosing between Prilosec and Zantac ultimately depends on individual factors such as the severity and frequency of symptoms, personal preferences, and safety considerations. Here are a few key points to consider when making your decision. Symptom severity. Prilosec may be more suitable for individuals with frequent or severe symptoms, while Zantac may be sufficient for those with milder or less frequent symptoms. Duration of relief. If you require long-lasting relief, Prilosec's 24-hour effect may be more beneficial. However, if you prefer quick relief for immediate symptoms, Zantac's fast onset of action may be preferable. Side effects. Consider the potential side effects of each medication and discuss any concerns with a healthcare professional. If you have specific risk factors or underlying health conditions, certain medications may be more appropriate for you. Personal preferences. Some individuals may prefer the convenience of a once-daily dose provided by Prilosec, while others may prefer the flexibility of multiple doses throughout the day with Zantac. Consulting with a healthcare professional is crucial in determining the most suitable option for your specific needs. They can assess your symptoms, medical history, and potential interactions with other medications to guide you towards the right choice. Alternative options for acid suppression. While Prilosec and Zantac are popular choices for acid suppression, there are alternative options available that may be more suitable for some individuals. These alternatives include other PPIs such as Nexium or Prevacid, as well as other H2 blockers like Pepcid or Tagamet. It's important to discuss these alternatives with a healthcare professional to determine the best option for your specific needs. They can consider factors such as medication interactions, potential side effects, and overall effectiveness to help you make an informed decision. Consulting with a healthcare professional. Before starting any acid suppression medication, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional. They can assess your symptoms, provide a proper diagnosis, and determine the most suitable treatment plan for you. They can also monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed to ensure optimal symptom relief and minimize the risk of side effects. Remember, self-diagnosis and self-medication are not recommended for acid-related conditions. It's important to seek professional medical advice to receive the appropriate care and guidance. Conclusion. In the battle for acid suppression superiority, Prilosec and Zantac both offer effective relief from acid-related symptoms. Prilosec, as a PPI, provides long-lasting relief by inhibiting acid production, while Zantac, an H2 blocker, offers quick relief by blocking histamine receptors. When choosing between Prilosec and Zantac, it's important to consider factors such as symptom severity, duration of relief, potential side effects, and personal preferences. Consulting with a healthcare professional can help determine the most suitable option for your specific needs. Remember, finding the ultimate acid suppression champion may require some trial and error. What works for one person may not work for another. By working closely with a healthcare professional and considering all the necessary factors, you can find the perfect solution to tame your acid reflux once and for all.